Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, July 30th, and Nana and I are out in the garden. And a few months back, I did a seed unboxing video, and one of the seeds was the Bennery's Giant Zinnia. So today they're starting to bloom. So I just want to show you how beautiful these flowers can be. And these are the Bennery's Giant Mix. And these flowers are just beautiful. You can see the size. I think they're probably my favorite cut flower. And the colors, so I don't mind the mix, because they're all beautiful. And these are the Bennery's Giant Wine. There we go. They're my favorite color for zinnia. Although I love them all, if I had to pick one, it would be the Bennery's Wine. These blooms are really big. They make excellent cut flowers. When you're cutting them, just come all the way down, and you would cut it right there in the middle. And then these two, you cut one, you'll get two new ones. And they'll keep doing that all season. Beautiful pink color. Nice big bloom. I could have a whole field of them. And these are the Envy Zinnia. I love the color. It pretty much matches with any bouquet. And these here are like a cupcake Zinnia. To be honest, I like the color, but I'm not a huge fan. I definitely prefer the Bennery. I mean, look at that. Perfection. In glory. So thanks everyone for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me and Nana in the garden. And she's pulling her weeds.
And we're having a wonderful day.
Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. What are you two friggers doing? In the garden again. Come on. Get going. Get going.